In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to retouch skin in Photopea. We'll keep it simple, clean, and realistic so your photo looks polished without losing natural texture. First, open your web browser and go to the Photopea website. It runs in the browser, so there's nothing to install. Once the home page loads, you'll see the main workspace and a start screen. Click on Open from Computer. This brings up your file picker so you can load an image from your device. Choose the portrait or close-up you want to retouch and open it. The image will appear on the canvas, with layers on the right and tools on the left. Before you start, it helps to check your zoom level. Aim for around 100 to 200% so you can see fine details without losing the overall context. On the left toolbar, find the healing tools. Right-click the healing icon to reveal the options. You'll see a few related tools grouped together. From that list, select Spot Healing Brush Tool. This tool is great for quick fixes because it analyzes the surrounding area and blends away small blemishes automatically. Look at the top options bar to set up the brush. Adjust the size so it's just a little larger than the spot you want to fix. A soft edge usually works best for skin because it blends more gently. Keep the brush fairly small and precise. The goal is to tidy up, not blur away natural detail. Now click directly on the areas of skin you want to retouch. For tiny blemishes, a single click is usually enough. For slightly longer imperfections, like a small line, click and drag lightly along the line, then release. Work slowly and zoom in or out as needed so you can be accurate. If something doesn't look right, press undo and try a smaller brush or a shorter stroke. It's better to do several tiny touch-ups than one big sweep. As you work, you'll see the result immediately. Texture should stay intact and the skin should look consistent from one area to the next. If you notice repeating patterns or overly smooth patches, back up a step and vary your clicks so the tool samples different nearby pixels. Also, avoid brushing across sharp edges like eyelashes, lips, or hairlines, since that can smear detail. Instead, stop just before those edges and approach them with very small taps. When you're happy with how it looks, take a moment to view the image at normal size to confirm everything blends naturally. That's all there is to it. Quick, clean skin retouching in Photopea.